G'day, that's Slot Car Guy here, and welcome back to another delivery unboxing. And I say it every single time, but this one is going to be epic, and I promise you it is, because there's 4 slot cars. Armchair Racer have chosen these 4 slot cars to send me, and they are pretty damn new, plus some accessories. So I'm going to be a busy boy in the future with some reviews, but let's unbox these 4 slot cars together. What have I received? Well, stick around and let's find out together. Welcome back to another slot car review, and a massive thank you to Armchair Racer for sending me these cars and accessories, and they've chosen some really good stuff which is going to create some awesome content very, very soon. So thank you guys, and they have chosen this stuff for me, so I'm in good hands, I think. Now let's start off with the accessories, because I'm looking at the cars and they're right here. I'm trying to hide them from the camera, but I want to do them last. So let's jump into the accessories, and the first thing I want to show, and I love it, if you watch my channel, you know I love stickers, and they've sent me some slotted stickers. So there's the logo, and then on the back there's another style, which is the slotted logo with the Italian flag and a checkered flag. Really cool. I love apparel, I love stickers, I love hats. So thank you guys. That will make it around my track, on my pit box, or somewhere in my collection. So thank you very much. Now these accessories are seriously cool, because this is going to make for an excellent review, and it is a Carson digital chip converter. So I can now run a Scalatric car on my Carrera track. That is going to make a really, really cool review. So thank you guys, very thoughtful. So I'll do a full install and a review of that, how it works on my track. That's going to come soon, but awesome idea. And I'm glad it's just not slot cars, because this is bigger than slot cars sometimes. What's next? Another universal digital chip for a slotted car. So I will have a slotted car now going around my track on Carrera Digital running this chip. Really cool. And again, I will do a review of that, install and a hot lap, all the bells and whistles. What else do we have? These are really cool, and I did not know this existed. These 2 next products I didn't know existed. I'm an ex-RC racer, and these are almost a quick fit for a motor. So you solder your motor on and obviously down to the guide, and you can interchange motors in and out. Very much like RC racing, very smart. So I did not know they existed. What are they? SP45 for those playing at home. And this next little thing, again, this is to make your converted car look like a factory Scalatric changeover. So that's the DPR window, so you can fit that to your car to make it look factory fresh. Again, I did not know that existed, so really, really cool, and it's going to make for some great reviews, so thank you guys. Now, the cars, and I don't know where to start, but let's start with what I think has been released yesterday or today, but let's dive right into it, and it is Polycar. This is my second Polycar, I should say, but this is, I love JDM, and we've gone Japanese. It is Polycar's Home Racer Series, and it is the C2028, the WRX STI 14-hour Nürburgring presentation in 2014. Beautiful looking slot car. I'm actually super excited to run this, because I knew it was coming, as in being released. I didn't know I was getting it, but this is going to be, I think, a really good slot car for a racer's beginner. So really, really cool. This review will be out in the next couple of days. I'm going to try and get this out as quick as I can. Now the next one, again, I think this is released today or yesterday. I could be wrong. Please tell me in the comments. But we're going slotted with the brand new Maserati. And this is slotted CA48A, the Maserati GT4, the Watkins Glen 2018. Now I believe this has just been released as well, but I could be wrong. I've had many slotted cars and they perform really well, so I'm actually excited to try this GT4. So thank you guys, and if you can hear that noise, and I'm not going to show you, there's some spares in there to change up the car a bit. So I won't get into too much detail, but really cool. This is probably one of the most beautiful slot cars I've seen, and packaged so well. We're going slotted again, and it's part of their winning collection, and it is the slotted Porsche 956 LH. It's CW24, and it's the Porsche 956 LH first Le Mans win 1983. Now let's quickly just pop it open, and the card might come flying out. These are limited run, but look at that, and there's my number on top. Now I don't want to get too far into that, because that again is going to be an impressive review. I do have the Jägermeister Porsche in that same range, so it does go really well. We'll be excited to throw that around my track. Now I did request this next car, and I love my Porsches, as you can tell, and I had to grab Carrera's new Porsche 911 RSR in their pink pig livery. I love this livery, I love Porsche, but this is a really brilliant car by Carrera. They've done a really, really good job. So again, another review will come on this. So thank you, Armchair Racer. You've sent a really good collection for me to get stuck into and show you people at home and review them. So thank you very much. Hit the comments. I'm going to try and film these two very, very soon, but if you can get on the comments and see which one you want done first, I'll try and meet that expectations. But of course, at That Slot Car Guy, Instagram and YouTube, please like and subscribe. I have got more cars coming. This isn't it, so I'm going to be very busy. But as always, take care, be safe, ciao.